just bought this and we're still in the store, so we will open it up. And it's One Piece card.
Wow. Wow. It's One Piece card.
Basically,
Wow.
either the 2 extra cards and the other 24. So, let's see.
It is original, huh? Wow.
Wait, we are supposed to do like this. Oh, first her, then her, then Marco. Oh, then now let's start.
They don't have names at the
Oh,
back.
Jinbei.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
And finally one. Okay. Right Admiral Kizaru. Ooh.
Original, huh?
Never mind, let's leave that for the end. That's crazy. Lucy. Kid. Oh, Hancock. I don't know. To see the name. Nami's mother is this guy. Usopp Stan. Then this girl. Why do I keep forgetting to write this name? Then we all know what happened. And what are the final cards? This cool little chopper.
Wow.
This Lucy. That Nami. And why this guy? And what do you mean fish? Oh yeah. And this cool card. And this. That's all the cards.
That's your collection?
My favorite is this one. Because he has the dragon fruit, but it's also called the fish dish. And these are the 2 extra cards.
Wow.
Which are these.
Let me see. What is the extra card?
Cards.
The bonus card. Wow. Oh.
And
This is original, huh? Wow. We can seal that one?
No. And
Yeah.
all the others
Yeah,
are
okay.
pretty.
Okay.
Not good.
Okay.
But
Okay now? See? Jacob.
pretty good.
Okay. Okay guys. See.